Hey, good morning. October 2nd, 2020, Rock. Doing some 2J stuff here. Haven't posted to my channel in a while. It's slow at work here at the shop, so I wanted to do an update on a modification that I'm working on. So currently in the process of fabbing up a functional ram air scoop for the hood, and I'll be uploading some video of that when it's probably complete, since I haven't been shooting any video halfway. But basically the air is going to come in the scoop, and it'll be channeled over to a box that has an opening in the bottom, and that opening in the bottom is going to make contact with the top of a box that will be fabricated right here, that the filter basically will sit inside in. Almost freaking looks like almost the filter is going to be right on the turbo, and therefore the air can come in the scoop here, be routed over, and then fed directly into an opening that feeds the filter. And then the box, of course, is sealed to keep heat out, but also to help air density with getting in to the filter. And one of the issues I ran into was the upper factory water outlet, which connects to here and then also connects to the water pump. It protruded out quite a bit, and also had those two little nipples sticking off that were capped off that went to water cooling for the factory turbos. So anyways, I needed to deal with that, and I was thinking of somehow fabricating, and then I started Google image searching, and that's when it came across some serious 2J car porn. Let's go check it out. I'm gonna move on over here. Behold, stock water outlet. Here's looking at it from the passenger side. Here's that. There's the hole in the bottom that connects that pipe. And here is some CNC milled billet. Powerhouse Racing. Powerhouse Racing, see it there? Relocates the coolant temp and the plug for the JDM one over here. There's the outlet. And what's cool about this is, other than it being gangster billet, but look at how much tighter it is. You see the difference? See, I'm lining up these two right here, and you see how much further over it is? That gives me exactly the room I need, because right in this area is going to be where the air filter housing sits. So this beautiful piece of machinery here is going to work perfect for what I need. It's got a little O-ring in there, and then this is the little pipe that connects into the bottom of it, that connects down to the water pump. And I was expecting, after 20 years of the engine, you know, being in service, that these O-rings, I mean, the O-rings look like shit, but there's still some thickness to them. This bottom one has seen better days, but at least the metal is not all corroded like some of the metal pipes in cooling systems I've seen before. So yeah, this is going to be pretty sick. I'll probably I'll probably upload some pics or something once I get this thing on, but I'm going to go ahead and get this put on right now. And yeah, it's sick. Once again, you can see how much tighter this thing is, and also see where the coolant temp sensor is. It relocates it. So this is going to be pretty legit. Yeah. Hell yeah. All right. Talk to you later.